My sandwich! I like that, I like that. You can't touch it with duck spit on it.
Get your wings off my uncle!
God, wait! Stay away from my family! Back away! Back away! Back away! Get out of here, you trashy, trashy vermin!
Who said that? I asked, who said that?
Huh?
Come here, pumpkin. Say it again.
Which part?
Trashy, trashy vermin.
Let the record reflect, I just meant to say trashy vermin. Which, I'm not saying that's good, but I wasn't doubling down on trashy vermin.
You ducks make me sick, you know that? You're fed all day by the humans in the park, but that's not enough for you. No, no, no. You gotta come to our territory. You gotta steal our food. And then you insult us?
What? No, I wasn't.
Name!
Mac!
Well, Mac, I'm the chump. And I'm the leader of this group of hard-working birds you just called vermin.
Okay. So listen, chump.
What?